Gross sales of something climbed to something in 2010, comma which. What is this comma which referring to? The noun just before the comma, 2010. So the meaning turns out that 2010 is 19% more than something, which is not the intended meaning. Another mistake, gross sales have to be compared. This answer choice compares sales with the previous year. So two problems, this which is incorrect and the comparison is incorrect. With same reasoning, because of this which here, the meaning is changed and it is not the right pronoun for gross sales. Sales is plural, so B can also be eliminated for these two reasons. 19% higher, this is hanging. This does not have a clear noun to refer to. What is 19% higher is not clear. Although this part, previous year's figure is alright, this part has a problem. The sentence is not complete, and then if you see something very interesting in the following part of the sentence, you have offsets, which is singular, which in effect is also referring to gross sales only. So gross sales is plural, but offsets is singular. So again, two problems with answer choice C. This can be eliminated. Look at D and E now. An amount that, so that takes care of the modifier issue. An amount is correctly referring to $150 billion, which is the gross sales. So $150 billion is an amount that is 19% higher than something. The first half of the sentence is alright in both the cases. Higher or more. More is for quantity. Higher is something that can come for quantity also, numbers also, than the previous year's figure. In answer choice E, again incorrect comparison than the previous year. The comparison is not with the previous year, it is with the previous year's sales or the previous year's figure. So E can also be eliminated. Let's confirm answer choice D once. Gross sales of German-made passenger cars to China climbed to a certain figure in a certain year, an amount which is correctly referring to $150 billion, and the amount is 19% higher than the previous year's figure. Makes a lot of sense and largely offsets. What is this offsets coming for? Amount. Amount is singular, offsets is singular, so the amount offsets decreased demand from developed countries. Makes absolute sense. D is the best answer choice.